Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to CRM Ones. In this video, we will see how to save the Microsoft Form responses into the Excel form in SharePoint and send an mail to the admin. Firstly, we have to create a sample Microsoft form like your name, phone number, email address, etc. And also one Power Automate flow and also one Excel file in SharePoint or OneDrive based on your requirement to work on this task. Once you enter all the details in Microsoft Form, then click on Submit button. Once you click on Submit button, a Power Automate flow will be running automatically. Here we will see Power Automate flow will be running successfully. Once the Power Automate flow will be running successfully, then the data will be moved to the Excel form. Here we will see the data will be moved to the Excel form. And also at the same time, send an mail to your Outlook. One thing guys, this video is only for demo purpose. If you want more details like Power Automate or anything else, please check the below description link or our website www.crmones.com. Thank you.